look! He is abandoned and so sick he cannot even walk.
Hello, Doctor. We found an abandoned, cold puppy outside in the heavy storm.
He needs a warm place to rest for a few days to fully regain his strength. Look at this poor puppy freezing in the cold rain all by himself.
Oh no! The storm is getting worse and lightning is everywhere right now! Wait, did I just hear a small animal crying over there behind the wall? I need to check behind the supermarket right now to see what made that noise. Oh my goodness, there really is a tiny puppy hidden inside this wet box. You are completely soaked and shivering so badly, poor little guy. Don't be afraid, little puppy. I am not going to hurt you at all.
Oh no, he is so weak and hungry that he cannot even stand up on his feet.
Ben, hurry up and get in the car right now. The storm is dangerous. Where is Ben going in this heavy rain? We need to leave immediately.
Mom, Ben went behind the supermarket building and he is not coming back.
The rain is pouring down so hard, we really must drive home safely right away.
Mom is calling me, but I cannot just leave this defenseless puppy alone here. I am staying right here to save you, no matter how hard it rains. That thunder was so loud, but I promise I will protect you from the storm. Here, take my warm raincoat so you can stop freezing in this cold wind.
I will wrap you up nice and snug so the rain does not touch you anymore.
You are safe now with me, little friend, and I will take good care of you.
Ben, what are you doing out here in the middle of this terrible storm?
Oh my goodness, Ben. Is that a tiny puppy you are holding in your arms?
Mom, please look. He is abandoned and so sick he cannot even walk.
Oh dear, the poor little creature looks so cold, weak, and completely exhausted.
I found you both. What happened here? Why are we standing in the rain?
Wow! Ben found a super cute little puppy behind the cardboard boxes.
This puppy needs help right away. He looks very cold and might be sick.
Please, Dad and Mom, can we please bring him with us to save his life?
Of course we can, Ben. We are definitely not leaving this poor puppy behind today.
Let us hurry to the vehicle right now and get this little guy out of the rain. Quick! Everyone run to the car before the thunder gets any louder. Watch your step on the slippery ground, Ben. Get inside the car quickly.
You are inside the dry car now, little puppy, but everything is going to be okay.
Look how tiny his little nose is. He is starting to feel warm now, Ben.
Here is a dry towel, Ben. Let us dry his fur completely right away.
There you go. Drying off your soft fur will make you feel so much better.
I am driving straight to the nearby animal clinic so a vet can examine him.
Look, we have arrived at the vet clinic. They will help our little friend now.
Hello, doctor. We found an abandoned, cold puppy outside in the heavy storm.
Bring him over to the examination table right away so I can check his health. You brought him just in time. Let us check his temperature and heart rate immediately.
His heart is beating strong. He is just very hungry, cold, and exhausted from rain. Thank goodness! I was so worried about him while we were in the storm. Yay! He ate all of his food and he looks so much happier now. Look, Ben. He is wagging his little tail at you. He knows you saved him.
He needs a warm place to rest for a few days to fully regain his strength.
Can the puppy stay at our house for a few days while he recovers completely?
Yes, Ben. He can stay in our living room until he is completely healthy and strong.
The storm has finally stopped, and we are going home with our new little friend. Here is your cozy new bed right next to the warm fire, little puppy. Lie down here and rest comfortably tonight. You do not have to worry anymore.
Good night, brave little puppy. You are safe, warm, and loved in our home tonight.
Good morning! I cannot wait to check on the puppy and play with him today.
Look at you running around so fast today. You have so much energy now.
Haha, that tickles. You are such a sweet, affectionate, and friendly little pup. Fetch the ball, little pup. Look how fast his tiny legs can run now. Playing with him is so much fun. He really feels like part of our family.
Look how handsome you look with this shiny new red collar around your neck. Seeing you two take such good care of this puppy makes me so proud, children.
Kids, we should put up posters around the neighborhood to find his original owner.
I will miss him if he leaves, but his real owner must be missing him so much.
Let us tape these lost puppy posters on every streetlight pole near the supermarket.
I hope whoever lost this sweet puppy sees our poster and calls us very soon.
Everyone in the neighborhood will see our poster right here by the main park entrance.
Hello? Oh, yes! We found a small puppy near the supermarket during the storm yesterday. You say you lost your puppy near the market? He is safe and sound here with us.
Did someone really call about the puppy, Mom? Is it his actual owner on the phone?
Yes. A kind little girl and her family are coming over right now to meet him.
Your real family is coming to take you home soon, little friend. I am so happy for you.
Look out the window, kids! A car just pulled up to our house right now.
Knock, knock. We are here because we saw your lost puppy poster in the neighborhood. Hello? Is this the cute little puppy that you have been looking for everywhere?
my goodness, Peanut. It really is you. I missed you so very much, my puppy.
Look how happy they both are to see each other again after being separated. Thank you so much for saving my puppy. I thought I would never see him again.
We were so worried during that terrible rainstorm. You are truly wonderful neighbors for helping.
You are a real hero, Ben. Thank you for staying behind in the storm to save him. I am just so glad I stayed behind to help. Seeing him happy makes me so glad.
Goodbye, Ben. Thank you again for your incredible kindness and courage. Goodbye, everyone. Woof woof. Thank you for everything, Ben. I will never forget your kind heart.
Goodbye, little friend. Have a wonderful and happy life with your loving family.
Remember, a single act of kindness can change someone's life forever and bring endless joy.